my friends, my brother and sister. This afternoon, I want to come and read for you about the oath. Okay, oath. This oath is meaning about you promise something or you promise something to uh, someone you want to give in. Okay. Away baka erosicto bakala korala of sidane metala buggenmal a weather the pane a weather the pane all da doc hitanilo. Okay, Matthew chapter 14 verse 9 talk about the king was distressed but because of his oath and his dinner's guests he ordered that her request be granted. Her request be granted. Away ni pagkatete malo pene sopani pagkatete ma athu sa distress ni pagkatete ma athu badu sabado. But basana kiro because mimirko koplulo ata ulo huni away ni do poalo otku tano atako tirpa do pagkatete mala away hilo taglulo di pomura hiwe tuni away mala powera nilo away ni metalo kora la grandest ne away ni pagkatete mala mala powera nilo kene pekle kwa le pakanyo klolo atasitak to pokuni peke kwa te sepo tapita matirpa ledile madile kinilo dobu wale takale to matheso silwi sabakuni tebra dile so do so patu tau basado mi atasut pado pasino tani hudo or the pa hudo malulo pake hilo welo. Okay, my friends, my brother and sister, remember this? Okay, don't oath. Okay, when it patin yala nedaba olo daba. When it meet that the miller bakropa to patan sikolo. Okay, here is that I want to read for you about the Assassinates. Okay, Assassinates. Chapter 5, verse 2 talk about a little bit here. Do not be quick with your mouth. Do not be hasty in your heart. I want it hasty down I want it. No, to utter anything before God. God is in heaven and you are on earth, so let your word be fused. I want to put it Babalo olo taba, let us go up a thinyana, Casajuane, over our muko, but where on it, but olo hoconelo. Let us go up a cropatupata second. Paini, posita telora seru ye, sebukine tevrale, mata quickly learn the takutri. Do monatha a third takatutala a so a cleaner you are a maniatri. A good you are over muko. Do neda na ula hoko clelo. Mother dinido mo natakatu usawe nidki. Little good are pakatura temine pakatura argi. Okay, don't talking too much. Okay, don't talking too much. Let us look at page 7. Okay, another verse is I want to read for you about here. Zechariah chapter 8, verse 17 talk about, I think so, verse 17 talk about here. Do not plot evil against your neighbor, and do not love to swear falsely. I hate all this, declare the Lord. This is meaning about the God telling about the do not plot evil against your neighbor. Okay. Away ma usita le palan hurry, no and do not love swear falsely. Pagkatena na ba eta love pagkatena mala love falsely sitane love pagkatena mala swear falsely. Ne eta love pagkatena mala ta total loba ne olo ta love the total loba awani. Dok tebra I hate all this sitane mitana ye tu hita the pine. Away ni kasaywa katutalo. Okay, declare the Lord. David dinero. Okay, very yekele pagwa sepo paylo. Whiskaria seroko sabur sinwini David dilo. Do ku sukomota earle tuta kipu do toda Puala nakhen norgari. So komota earle tuta kipu do puala nakhen norgari. Do edu suta te toba teki, pejano pe edu suta la ta te total lobani suta teki. Agiri tani te pa yatahi o kulelo yuasiwada. Ta kulani yatahi olo. Awani kasaywa tewada lo. Letano gura rapakro patu patala petamu pusikolo. Okay, we should think about in our heart. I want to read for you the last one, talk about here. Titus chapter 1, verse 16, talk about here. They claim to know God, but by their action, they deny him. They are detestable, disobedient, and unfit for doing anything good. Unfit for doing anything good. They claim to know God. They claim to know God mean they know God, right? They exactly know God. We know what everybody knows God, right? But they don't exactly know it, but they just saying like this. Okay. They claim like this, but they don't know. Maybe they don't believe this too. Someone like this, okay, baptizing, they don't believe. Just, the generation doing is the wrong thing. After that, but their action, they deny him. Their action, they deny him. Okay. After that, they are detestable, disobedient, and unfit for doing anything good. They don't do anything good. Okay. Titu a seruter, a sabo, the sikune temera dile. Pua tapani silo athala thing. Not that thing yajualo. Basado, the mo ola a tapita manilo. The mo tapitama. Me poile pataba do poata subataba do le kayetama tagi agoni te go te soba normiba awani pagitama tata go te soba normiba le awete tapitama nelo hotaroni pakrapatu patala pitamulo. Okay, my friends, my brother and sister, today I'm making for you. This is the meaning about because of his oath. Meaning about that, that the king was distressed, but he cannot change it because of his dinner guest, and he ordered that her request be granted. This is the meaning about it. Don't promise easily. Okay, don't swear falsely. Okay, don't love to swear falsely. This is the meaning about the netabalo etala neke pagiteramala neke lora le pagiteramala neke lopo paki dan ta etalo awane titabalo margi. Where should you glue tara sweep with corner? Thank you so much. God bless you, and God bless his world. Bye bye. See you next time, my friends, my brother and sister.